Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today we're gonna save the game and load the game data with the static function. Actually not static function, but it acts like that. I will teach that and we will just learn the RichTextLabel and some BB code. Let's run our game. You know, we already finished the Flappy Bird as well, but still we will need to improve this more and more. Even the two-player online. Of course, in the feature lessons. As you can see, I'm just getting my score, and yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Anyway, oh god, I'm not losing. Oh my. Anyway, I got my 5 score, and I just want to save this to storage, and I want just display this in the main screen. Well, let's just get started. For that, click the scripts folder, right click, new, script, and write util. Now, if you click the utils gd, actually this will be act like static function. We can call the all functions here from everywhere. I can tell this. Now let's go to the project, and this. Oh my god, this how anyway. Just click autoload and give the path of the utils, as you can see. Now open, click the add. Now we add our utils class. Now we can start the edit this. First of all, we need to give the path. So for that, let's pick a new variable like path. Code say game data.data. What does this do actually? Well, this is more like the internet storage. You know, actually you don't need to think about that much. I think that's the path of the internet storage. Just create a new function like save data, and of course, whenever we save data, we need information. So let's just make this JSON or the dictionary. Say in gdscript, the dictionaries are like the Python dictionaries, and the dictionaries are more like the JSON data. So we can name this as like JSON. It doesn't matter. And I do the JSON perfectly. Now, what we will do is we need to reach the path file. For that, we can new file variable and file x.open, give the path, and just give the bright read flag. If there is no file like this, it will create. It will create. Okay. Now the other step is now we should create we should convert this JSON to string. For that, let's just install string because JSON.string, and this function will convert this JSON to string. Now, finally, we can save this thing to file. For that, file.store line and give the JSON string. Now the save data function is done. Now we should use this for load data. Let's just copy this and okay. And let's fit the bright bit. Instead, we just need to read. But there is something wrong because if there is no file saved, it will return the node. For that, if file is node, and just return. Let's get to other steps like we should convert this file to string, and we should convert the string to dictionary and return it. That's our JSON string for file that get as text. And now return JSON parse string and JSON string. As you can see, it is easy. Now save the equations here, and if we go to main screen, and if I break the utils, as you can see, I can access the whole function here, like load data and save the data. But as you may know, we should need the default value. For example, whenever we open the sounds, no, it is a represented. So, for that we should save the height score by default. It will be 0. For that we should our data, or first we should read the load data. I mean, we should run this function. If the file is null, then it means the user downloaded our app for first time. So we can set the default. Got it? And let's just keep the data so users read load data. If data equals null, and data equals height score dot 0, and equals save data. Are we done? If we run and if there is no exception, then we are done for now. Now it successfully saved the data. As you know, if there is no file, then this will be save the default value to storage. Now let's stop this and let's go to the other part of the game. Now we should create a rich text table. Rich text table, and how can I tell you? Well, you can use the different color in the same label. It is, for example, let's just make the rainbow text. But of course, you must enable the BF code. If you're curious, please search for BF code, and you can see more others there. Now let's make the color equals black, and it is black, as you can see. But if I break again, color is red, and this is red. As you can see, with single rich text table, I created two different label color. But why we need this anyway? Well, this because we should point the height score like this. Is equals 0, or like this maybe. Now let's delete all, because we will control this from the script. Okay. What should we do is let's just make this bigger so we can center the label text. We can center the text, and let's go to the script, and let's just rename this as height score labels. Okay. Now let's access our height score label that text full. Now let's modify our text, like color equals black, height score, and let's just stop the color with ML format, and new color equals red, and now plus get data height score value, and like this score. But you should wrap this with the CTR function, so because we can plus the string with the integer, and in the final let's just close the color again. Now let's make this centered by the center tag, and let's close the center as well, like this, and let's run our game. height score equals 0. But this is a bit small, so let's just make this bigger. How we can do that is clicking the S, okay, now let's just bigger and save the center as well. Now let's see what just happened. Maybe now this must be fine for now. Still, we have our colored label, the RichTextLabel. Now the final final thing is we should save this from the play screen. Whenever we crush the pipes, whenever we lose the game, we should save this data. If the current score is higher than height score, then we will just save it. Now for that, let's just go to check collision function and let's just create our save function, or let's just create a new function like save score. For that, let's just pull our save score function. Okay. Now let's just read our current data. For data, we choose that load data. If data and high score is smaller than current score, then we choose that save data. Or we should maybe, instead of creating a new variable, we can just edit this like this. High score equals score and save data and data. Okay, so are we done? Let's see. First, let's just get our point and oh my god, I really can't. Wait, impossible. Also, we should reduce the collision shape as well. Even though I didn't touch the pipe. Go to the bird and let's just click this. Also, you can edit the jump power like this. I made 8, but you prefer anything. Now let's go to the pipe and make this like this. Okay. Now it must be fine. Let's play this. Okay, now let me lose the game. Okay, exit. As you can see, our height score is saved. Even if I close the game and open again, the height score is 1. Let me earn some score, and we can see what's just going here. And okay. And okay, now let's lose the game. Exit and easy peasy, as you can see. We created our RichTextLabel in this lesson and we just saved and loaded game data. In other lesson, we can create profiles. For example, you will create a new profile, options. Yes, you know everything a modern game has. Well, thanks for watching me. I know this is very unquality video, but you know, I'm trying to be inside it. Anyway, see you in other videos. Goodbye.